All right. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from BBL Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I understand English, ma'am, but just a little.
As long as you can communicate with your employer, is we don't have any problem. Okay?
Yes,
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I already work in abroad before in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Um, I choose Malaysia, ma'am, because I thought Malaysia is not a danger place.
All right, not danger. Help me introduce yourself, please.
Um, Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rhea Rose Palma. I am 32 years old. I live in Block 33, Lot 45, Montalban, San Jose Rodriguez Rizal. I have two children. The older one is 12 years old and the youngest one is 2 years old.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. Are you single or married?
Single, ma'am.
With live-in partner.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your live-in partner?
36, ma'am.
What is his occupation?
PWD, ma'am.
PWD. Okay, when is your birthday?
September 19, 1988.
September 19th, your birthday.
August 10, 1993, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
5'3", 52.
Your weight is 52 or 65?
I 60, 5'3", my height is 5'3", and then my weight is 65.
Okay, what is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
All right. So you mentioned that you've got two kids, which is 12 years old and 2 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So who will going to take care of your children later? And also you still got 2 years old kid.
My mother, ma'am.
Your mother. How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Uh, 58, ma'am.
What is her occupation?
Housewife, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have four brothers and I have four sisters.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
Seventh, ma'am.
Okay, what about your father?
Farmer, ma'am.
How old is your father?
Six, 658, 63, ma'am.
63. Okay. So, according to you, this is not your first time working abroad. In which country you have your first working experience as a domestic helper?
Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
Jeddah. So, how many years you worked there?
2 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
December 31, 2021 and December 2023.
Okay. So, can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Jeddah?
I work there, ma'am. I am the one who take good care of the three children.
Okay.
The older one is 10 years old, the second one is 8 years old, and the youngest one is only 3 months.
3
And I
months.
also clean the house.
Okay.
Um, and iron. But sometimes I cook, but not really because my madam will handle it to order. Only order, ma'am.
So you assist cooking only sometimes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You do the laundry also at the same time?
No, ma'am. My madam laundry, ma'am.
All right. So are you the only helper or you have companion?
Only, ma'am. Only me, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Because I choose to go another place, ma'am. Another, what do you call this?
Country.
Um, country, ma'am.
In which part you have your first after 2023 you have working experience or don't have already?
Don't, ma'am, because I got pregnant and have a baby, ma'am.
Oh, so after that 2023 until recently you are a full-time mother, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you know that working as a domestic helper is not new for you, okay? This
Yes, ma'am.
domestic helper is a very tough one. This is not an easy job. And I would
Yes,
like to
ma'am.
let you know that working here in Malaysia also is a very tough one. Houses here is very big. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So you need to get ready yourself, expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Jeddah and in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want later that you will going to compare Middle East and Malaysia. It's quite different, all right? So,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I
Can
already
you
have a
cook?
experience, ma'am.
All right, good. So, can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Just on.
comfortable? Sorry?
Um, I am willing to learn, ma'am.
So you are okay to caregiving for disabled person, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. But don't have any experience. But I am willing to learn.
Okay, so this is a 2 years contract. You will going to sign a 2 years contract, and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore. There is any uncertain situations happen to your family back in the Philippines. No such a thing. All right?
Yes,
You cannot
yes,
simply
ma'am.
stay or you cannot easily go back home. Once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences also, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am. Because I go
Yes.
there for work.
Yes, exactly. You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. This is a
Yes,
strictly no go out policy, and if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
yes, ma'am. Already, when I go abroad in Saudi, no day off.
All right.
Just
So remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time. In
yes, ma'am.
Philippines, we can do whatever we want. We can be the boss there, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble
Yes,
ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time.
yes, ma'am.
Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So normally you've been stuck in the Philippines for almost a years. So how are you gonna handle your homesickness later, knowing that you still got a 2 years old kid?
Uh, before, before, ma'am, when my young, older, I work also only my baby coming 1 year old.
Mm.
I work and then after maybe just look the positive, bright side for the problem, ma'am, because I need to go there to for work to provide my baby like that, ma'am.
All right. I think that's all for now, Ria. It was my
Yes,
pleasure
ma'am.
meeting you. But please
Yes,
stay
ma'am.
connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.